Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable spatial audio for your earbuds Philips. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here I have spatial audio, you may have it at the bottom, it depends on Android phone. And also this feature is not available for all Android devices, so you may have it. Okay, to enable it, you need to tap on time on the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. If you want to disable this feature, you need to also tap on time on the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!